I'm going to show you how you can edit or modify your navigation menu on the header, which is this one right here, on your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. So once you have your Shopify store ready, all you need to do is go to content and then click on menus. Now you will find a different type of menus. So the main one is the one that will appear on the header. Then we also have the footer menu and the customer account main menu. Those are the default ones, but you can also create a custom one, for example a sidebar menu, and then add more items to that specific menu. So to modify the header or the navigation menu, just click on the main one and just edit whatever you want. You can add more menu items like new pages, you can add a specific link for a product, for a collection, you can put in a search field and much more. So just save the changes, go to the page, reload, and now I got search right here. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.